Hello, and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today I'm going to show you one of the more innovative products we have available to us for pre-wiring for motorized window coverings. So where we're at today is we're looking at the new Xspot system. This is a pre-wiring system designed to set up so that when you're wiring that for a house or a building and you have to run wires through wood and through drywall, all that type of stuff, they've designed a fabulous new product that allows you to find your wires no matter what. So what they have is they got some really clever ideas in here. This is the top part when you put this in, when your electrician is wiring the wires, they have these loop pads on the top where they can put a little loop of the wire so that you have cord pulling through and it's safely secured inside of your wall. The other thing that they have is they have little magnets, so when the electrician's putting it in, they can put these little magnets in with tape to the wire, and then what happens is when you show up to the job, your installers show up to the job, they can take one of the magnets and basically they just slide it until it hooks. As soon as it hooks, they found that, whether they have drywall on it or whether it's wood-based, you can see it instantly. You get a pair of pliers, pop those out. If they've gone and drywalled over it already, you take the magnet, you're gonna slide it on there, and this is why they're called Xspot. You line it, you put this on there, and you take your pin, you mark your 4 spots, you got your line already lined up, you put the little X there, and that's exactly where you drill your hole. You'll drill through, you'll get to this, to the magnet, take your magnet, pull it out, pull your wire out, the loop cord brings it down, and now you've got a super clean area to be able to wire your motorized shades together. Then you pop it right back into the hole and it's all concealed. So normally when you get to a job, you have wires hanging out, and when you have to mount your shades, you have to take the wire and you have to zip tie it or mount it up to the thing. This eliminates all that. When you're done, they have all these little caps that you can put in here that keeps it super, super clean and easy to access later. So you can pop this out, screwdriver, pop that out, get into the connections. They make all different types of adapters for the different types of motor heads, POE, Lutron, Hunter Douglas, all the different motor adapters that are available that you can get for these kits to be able to set this up. So imagine going to a job site and not having to worry about drilling out your drywall, poking holes, finding things. They've got this all set up. It works on inside mount, it works on surface mount. So again, if you had to go through the front of it, you could just find that right through the drywall. Magnet goes on top of there, it finds it instantly with this. This is a great option available. So if you're looking to do pre-wired for your hardwired motorized shades, take a look at our Xspot product. If you have any other questions, please visit us at threeblindmiceusa.com.